Hello dear students, welcome to your own class Chemistry with Mind. Namaskar. Today we will study separation techniques in chemistry. There are many separation techniques like filtration, simple distillation, fractional distillation, extraction, fractional crystallization, gravity separation, magnetic separation, sublimation, and at the last chromatography. So all the techniques we will study one by one. So let us start. Separation techniques. So first we will study filtration. As you know, filtration is the most common techniques used in chemistry. What is the filtration? Filtration is a method of separation of a mixture in which one component is soluble in the solvent and other component does not soluble. So what is the soluble component that is coming in the solution in the down apparatus, and what is the insoluble component that is coming on the filter paper? So next technique is simple distillation. Simple distillation, that is also a method of separation of a non-volatile solute, or this is a separation method of a mixture containing two liquids and those two liquids having large difference in their boiling point. So this is also method of separation of non-volatile solute. Or separation of a mixture of two liquids, or it may be more than two liquids, large difference in their boiling point. Boiling point we can write as BP also. Okay. Now next technique is fractional distillation. Fractional distillation is also a distillation technique, but in this method what we are using the mixture of two liquids or more than two liquids, they are having the boiling point difference very less. That's why it is called fractional. Fractional distillation. This is also distillation technique, and it is a method of separation of a mixture of liquids having small difference in their boiling point. Boiling point we can write as BP. Now next technique is fractional crystallization. One thing you should remember in case of fractional distillation, since there are two or more than two liquids, so the liquid which is having less boiling point, that will be separated first, and the liquid which is having more boiling point, that will be separate later, and in the same way third liquid and fourth liquid, and if more liquids are present in that case. Now in fractional crystallization, fractional crystallization is a method of separation of a mixture of solids which are having different solubility. Of a mixture of solids. Which are having different solubilities in a particular solvent. So what will happen in the fractional crystallization? Since it is a mixture of solids and solids are having different solubilities in a particular solvent, so the solids which are having less solubility, that will be crystallized first, and after that more solubility, and then again more soluble solids, and it will go on as the number of solids will increase. So now next is extraction. So what is the extraction? This is also a method of separation of a mixture to dissolve out one of the component in a particular solvent or liquid. To solve out one of the component in a particular solvent or liquid. Now come to the next, gravity separation. What is the gravity separation? Gravity separation is also a separation method of a mixture of the components having different densities. Different densities. Next is magnetic separation. What is the magnetic separation? This is also a method of separation of a mixture in which one component is magnetic and other component is non-magnetic. Now come to the next method is sublimation method is also used as a separation method. In this method, the components present in a mixture, one of the component getting sublime and other component do not sublime. Do not subline. Now next method is chromatography. This is a very high-end separation method. Chromatography is also a separation method, and it is a very high-end separation method. In this method, what is happening? The component of a mixture are getting separated on the basis of their adsorption in a particular adsorbent. Different adsorption in a particular adsorbent. Adsorbent is the substance in which the component will get adsorbed. So these are the methods of separation. If there is any doubt, please ask in the message box. I will try my best to give you the reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.